Hello friends and welcome back to the Tech Legend channel. So friends, today I will talk about Lenovo GeForce RTX 5090D and RTX 5080 Legion graphics card. So friend, Lenovo is back with their quad slot Legion GPU. It's for pre-built gaming PC. So friend, the Lenovo Legion based model designed specifically for their gaming PC. So yes, you can and likely won't be able to buy these cards on DIY market, but Lenovo has been using a similar design for our two generation now and it's never released to the market. And what's new are two cards, the RTA 5090D and RTA 5080, both offered exclusive with a just released Legion 9000K gaming PC with Intel Core Ultra 200K series, and the system will be sold with mid-range card RTX 5070, but currently it's so only available with RTA 5090D and 5080. So friend, this card features a massive paired slot cooler with three fans, an RX Vega-inspired cooler with minimalistic CNC-cut shroud, and this card has a full cover backplate with an ARGB strip around the air exhaust, and we can see that the GB202 GPU has a much larger footprint on the back compared to the GB203, and all both cards use a single pin 16-pin power connector judging from previous release. So friend, these cards are not expected to be factory overclocked. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.